Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abhishek and Trisha. The boy was admiring me from afar. Time flies. I reached home and logged in Facebook and got a notification from a boy accusing me to be selfish. Garçon-là, typé, admire-moi depuis loin. Les temps in passé, Mone rentre la case, ek Mone log in lo Facebook, ek Mone gagne une notification depuis un garçon qui peut accuse-moi qui mo un grandnoir. I replied to him, "Do you even know me for you to accuse me being selfish?" Mone répondit, Mone dit, eski ou kon moi-même ou peut accuse-moi qui mo un grandnoir. After sending him the message, I searched his profile and viewed his photos to check just in case if I know him. Après que mon avoy li message, mon wrote ce profile et check ce bane photo si en cas me connaît. Upon my surprise, it was the same boy I saw in the morning. I was shocked. I started to chat with him. We exchanged our number on Facebook. He said he knew me from a long time because he works at the same hotel that my father works. Dans mon surprise, ti sa même garçon-là, c'est qui m'a trouvé grand matin. M'a choqué. Mon commence chat avec lui. Nous prenons chacun ce numéro Facebook. L'Indien lit comme moi depuis longtemps parce qu'il travaille dans même l'hôtel qui mon papa travaille. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.